Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can read voice messages on WhatsApp. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my WhatsApp, and then if I want to read a voice message on WhatsApp, we need to activate a feature on our setting. So we need to go to the WhatsApp setting. We can click on the three dots right here, and then select the settings. Okay, and the settings, you need to go to the chats menu. Okay, and here you need to activate this feature guys, and for your information, this is new feature on WhatsApp. If you haven't got this feature on your WhatsApp, you need to update your WhatsApp so you will get the latest version or the newest version of WhatsApp. Okay, you can activate this feature to read voice messages on your WhatsApp. You activate the voice message transcription, and then you can choose a language. And unfortunately, we can only choose these languages. But actually, guys, you can change the device language to change your transcript language. For example, here my device's language is English, and if I want to change it to my language, we can go to our phone setting and change the device's language. Okay, I'm just going to use English. Let's say that English is the language of most voice messages I receive on WhatsApp. And then we need to set up the transcript language. We need to download it. So make sure you have good internet connection to download the language transcription. Okay, now it's still loading guys. The transcription is being downloaded and we just need to wait for a moment. Okay guys, and now the voice message transcription feature has been activated on my WhatsApp. So anytime I get new voice messages on WhatsApp, it will be transcribed to English and I will be able to read it. Okay, and then I'm just going to send a voice message to this WhatsApp and I'm going to check it guys. Okay, and this is the voice message I want to transcribe. And if we want to get the transcription, we need to tap and hold on the voice message like this, and then you can click on the three dots on the top right, and then you can simply click on transcribe. Okay, and just hold on guys. Okay, and this is the transcription of this voice message. Okay guys, and that's all the way to read voice messages on WhatsApp. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.